Hello everyone. Now I will introduce the MEILING top-mounted refrigerators. From here, you can see part of the top-mounted in our factory. Actually, MEILING has the full model range from all the top-mounted models, from the smaller one around 86 liters to the biggest one around 550 liters. And the MEILING factory has the full model range in all over the Chinese factories. Firstly, I will introduce this model. This model, it should be the most popular in Europe, even in the world. And every year, this model can selling around 1 million pieces. Why I introduce this? This one in the left is our old model. And this one is redesigned and launched in this year, the totally new models. What's the difference? Actually, our engineer makes some improvements in the outlook. In the old model, it's still using the cover design in the door. But in the new models, we are using the edge door design. The second point, we design the family door line. And you can see all our models will have or the similar door handle design. Okay, so let's see together what's the difference inside. For this model, let's take out. This is the wedge box for the old model, and this is the size. For the new one, we make the new wedge box. You can compare. It's much bigger than before. It will be much more suitable for the family to stock more vegetables and fruits. Second, we will keep the safety glass shelf, and if you have interesting, we also can use the silver trim on the glass shelf. And for the new models, we already matched LED lamp inside. It's much more energy saving. In the top freezers, we're using the circle design for the smart frost design, and use the wear shelf. This is our new top-mounted models and the most cost-efficient in the world. The total capacity is around 211 liters. In the meantime, we also launched a new one. Same size, same design, but much higher. In this model, the height is 1.4 meters, and this one is 1.7 meters. If your customers want to get the bigger models, this will be the second choice. And for this model, the total capacity is around 211 liters, and in the right one, it's around 261 liters. Okay, my friends. Next, I will introduce the MEILING no-frost top-mounted models. From here, 250 liters, 350 liters, 410 liters, 500 liters, and 465 liters. This model is we are launching for the Europe market, especially for the south of Europe, and it can match the most family requirement for the refrigerators. For this model, the width is 70 centimeter, and the height is 1.85 meter. The total net capacity is 465 liters. Let's open inside. This model we are using the inverter compressor, and you can get the super energy saving and the low noisy. From the top freezer design, we use in the safety glass and multi-airflow design. And here, you can control the temperature of the freezer department by the adjustment. In the fridge department, we also use the multi-airflow design, and you can control the temperature by the channel. In the bottom, we put a big crisper box. Use the strong material. And you can control the humidity level by this panel from the high to low. One more important, all our models can achieve the 90 degree, and you can take out your vegetable smoothly. Okay, my friend. Okay, all the able information is the basic features of our total no-frost top freezer models. Besides, there are many other smart design. For example, like this. We can put an extra twice the ice maker in the freezer department, and you can move the ice makers based on your request. And for the using, you can take out this, put the water inside. After some time, you can get the ice and turn around the tunnel, take the ice from here. In the fridge department, we also have a good design for the fresh room. In this area, the temperature will be around 2 degrees, and you can put some of the meat and fish in this place. Okay, my friend. That is all the top freezers information I want to share here. And please visit MEILING online counter fair booth. You can get much more professional information. Thank you very much.